Oh, this feels weird.
Lord have mercy. What I do? What I do?
What is up, guys? We're here at SMS Design Performance. Gonna start the first, or actually the second episode of the death kart that we're doing with the 350z. And we got my man Casper. And yeah, Casper and Salah. The king. Woo, there she is. Man, you look so good in this car, it suits you. You look like a Z owner. Salah giving directions. Good job, you parked the car. Hey.
So what?
What are you doing?
We're gonna weigh the car, and maybe some people are gonna ask, you're gonna cut everything away anyway, why are you gonna weigh the car? Because the Z is such a good performing car. When it comes to drifting, the balance is wonderful. So we want to come as close as possible to the weight balance of the car now. So even if we cut, let's say 400 kilos off of it.
Help me, Lord!
We want to put back some weight, maybe, to make it balanced like before. So this is very important to us. We're gonna document this. You're gonna see what the car weighs now during this process, and then we're gonna take every hanging door, hatch, hood, lights, everything, and we're gonna weigh the car and see how much it lost.
Majid, you enjoying this? We're weighing the car with me inside so we get the balance properly. I'm gonna be the driver for the most part. This thing is disgusting. I already have some weight reduction by the previous owner. Thank you. Are you recording now?
You look comfortable.
It's fucking hot inside here, bro.
No.
The car has been outside the whole day.
Hot?
Yes, it's hot.
In Bahrain?
Is the AC on at least?
The AC is on. Two of them are
I
blasted.
hate you.
Close the door, please.
Throw your hands in the air right now, man.
Lean back.
Lean back. Lean back. Lean back.
Thank you.
Farts? Yeah. Did you take a shit before or after?
Why are you wearing something? Why aren't you wearing short sleeves?
Because we weren't supposed to work at the car today.
What are you making a fashion statement today?
Yeah, I'm making my wife made me a fashion statement.
Okay. We need you in there for about half an hour, okay?
No!
3,482 pounds. That's not bad, man.
Yeah, that's good for a piece of shit car.
And look at the front balance, huh? It's 54 now, 45 in the back. We're gonna make it more like 50-50 when we're done.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Alright, got the SMS shirt on. Now we're gonna take off the trunk.
Camera is front, sir.
We're gonna take the doors off now. The lock is already on it, trying to destroy this car. We weren't supposed to start today, but it's going down. All right, we got the doors off, man.
It was so hard, he did all the work.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get the headliner out now.
And we're removing the back bumper.
What?
Basically, we're gonna take everything we can take off of it now
Yeah.
without making sparks.
I mean, we're after hours right now anyway, so.
So we're gonna take everything out, and then we're gonna go do some donuts.
Let's do it, man. Oh yeah, son. That looks dope. Salah said it looks like a Lambo. Warning, warning, it's Casper with the gloves. Casper asked, why did you keep the lights? And it's so street legal, you know? It's got lights. You can drive it at night. It's just a super leggera.
Super light. Super light.
Sushi. Yeah. Sashimi. Right, got the car back on the scales. And we're gonna see what it's like with me in it. 306. All right, boys. 500 pounds less in 2 hours. That's pretty it's a good workout. That's a good meal.
This feels weird, but you know what is even more weird?
This. You predator. Why do we have to drift my way? That clutch though. That's right.
Fucking seatbelts!
All right, so that's episode 2 done. See you next time, guys. You want to say something?
I can't wait to get to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Something.